Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix eBay seller mobile login problems, app errors step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Next, close the eBay app completely. On most devices, you can swipe up from the bottom or press the home button. Now, relaunch the eBay app. Attempt to log in again using your credentials. If you still encounter issues, verify your username and password. Make sure there are no typos or unnecessary spaces. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once reset, return to the app and try logging in again. If the problem persists, clear the app's cache. Go to your device settings and locate the eBay app. Select the option to clear cache or storage. After clearing, restart your device to refresh the system. Now, try opening the eBay app and logging in again. If issues continue, check if the app needs an update. Visit your device's app store and search for eBay. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, return to the app and attempt to log in again. If you still face problems, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can help eliminate any corrupt files or glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact eBay customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your issue. They can offer further assistance to resolve your login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.